Get ready for a groundbreaking revelation. The key to solving some of your most complex challenges lies within a simple strategic process. Hello, strategic thinkers. Today we're diving into the dynamic world of decision-making with the Nominal Group Technique, enhanced by the power of ChatGPT, to unlock innovative solutions for your pressing issues. Every strategic decision comes with its own set of hurdles. Imagine trying to resolve convoluted issues without a clear blueprint or approach. Rushed decisions and unchecked assumptions can lead to costly errors and missed opportunities. This is where a systematic method becomes vital, serving as your guiding star in navigating the fog of uncertainty. Enter the Nominal Group Technique, your solution for turning ambiguity into clarity. With ChatGPT, we propel this method to new heights, drafting it live to generate insights tailored to your needs. But how exactly does it work, you ask? Let's explore this together. Start by assembling a diverse, multidisciplinary team that brings varied insights to the table. Prompt them with ChatGPT to unravel everything they know about the issue at hand. Each member independently generates innovative ideas, fostering a vibrant pool of potential solutions. Next, chat with ChatGPT live for real-time insight, iterating and enhancing these ideas to better fit the context. As we move forward, participants review and discuss all proposals. It's in this stage that ChatGPT adds value by highlighting the strengths and weaknesses of each idea. This empowers you to prioritize solutions based on their potential impact and feasibility, ensuring that your strategic moves are deliberate and informed. Now imagine yourself walking through this transformative journey. Begin by laying the groundwork. Assess your goals, gather your insights, and prepare an arena for free-flowing ideas. Once ideas start to take shape, channel them through robust phases of evaluation, assisted by ChatGPT's dynamic input at each turn. Whether it's sketching multiple outcomes or deeply examining risks, ChatGPT enhances the process, aligning each step to build seamlessly on the previous one. And so, we arrive at the ultimate stage, a harmonious blend of strategy and insight. By combining the Nominal Group Technique with real-time ChatGPT guidance, you leverage the flexibility to adapt and improve your approach continuously. This isn't just a set of static instructions, but a symphony of personalized strategies crafted to resonate with the challenges you face. As we conclude, remember that the insights and solutions are yours to tailor. By integrating ChatGPT into your strategic toolkit, you unlock a world of bespoke ideas that can seamlessly adapt to whatever challenge arises. So, like this video, subscribe, and make sure to visit my Linktree to dive deeper. For more revelations, check out the book, AI-Powered Strategic Thinker, 3 by a trove of wisdom for the modern strategist. Strategic thinkers, the power to redefine your process is now at your fingertips. Embrace these strategies, adapt them to your unique challenges, and watch as you transform complexity into opportunity.